welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a first impressions try on of this palette right here. It's sMyPleasure. This is what the inside of it looks like right here. I am a ColourPop affiliate. I get nothing unless you use the link below, so please check out the link below if you like this palette. These ColourPop palettes are very affordable. They're $12 a palette, and yeah, I'm going to try to use all these colors right here. That's right, all of these colors on my eyelids. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so I am going to start out with Kittenfish. That's a weird name. Okay, right there. And I'm going to cover the whole lid. Alright, sticking with the theme of using too much eyeshadow, I am going in with Fan Fiction right here. Okay, so I think the next color of choice is going to be Bare Minimum, and this is where it gets fun because I really start to pack on the color. Okay, so that one is on, and I think we are going to go in with Do or Dough, that one right there. Okay, so that one clearly did not show much because, yeah. So we're gonna go to Chick Lit, this one right here. So let's add some fun and excitement to this and go in with Sleeper, this color right here. Okay, so I think now we're gonna go in with Mr. Sandman, and yeah, I think I'm gonna go in with Mr. Sandman, yeah. Okay, so Mr. Sandman did not show because my eyes are already incredibly dark, but that's okay. We are going to go in with Earthshake. Okay, so there's that. I'm not really excited about this. I'm gonna go back in with Sleeper in the corners. Okay, so I think at this point I am going to go back with Mr. Sandman, this one right here, and do the inner corners, and then I haven't used this color right here, which is Pretty Cruel, and I'm going to do the bottom under eye. Okay, so I have used all 9 of the shades, but this is falling very flat to me, so I'm going to take and get into my glitter palette here and use this purple color right here, and this is, I'll tell you what this is in a minute. This is Free Bird. I'm going to dab a little on the eyelid. And I'm still not satisfied, so I am going to use another glitter. This other one I am going to use is Overpacked, like my eyelids, overpacked, and that's this one. Okay, so I think that is a lot more fun. So I guess, yeah, now we have to do eyeliner. So I think I am going to, I don't know, give me a second, I'm gonna look at that. Okay, so I'm gonna do these 2 eyeliners, and I may regret this, but this is what I'm gonna go with. I am going to go with Cry Baby and piggy bank, and we'll start from there and then figure out what we're gonna do next. Alright, there is the purple liner. I don't think it really did much because my eyes are so purple, but that's okay. We are going to go in with some more purple mascara, and then I'm gonna do the top part with Bad Gal Bang Benefits. So alright, there are the eyes. For lips, I think I am just going to go with a gloss, and this is Easy Bake right here. I'm not going for that. Okay, let's try this gloss thing again. I think I'm gonna lay down a matte. Whatever this is. Nope, that's gloss. We don't want gloss. We want. Alright, for lip color, I am going to use MAC Lip Gloss in Love Child because I think this is a good color for this. And there we go. Finished look. What do you guys think? Anyways, let's talk about the colors here. So, as usual, this color here, a little patchy, and so is this color right here. Everything else went on smoothly. I liked it. There was a little bit more fallout than some of the other palettes. It wasn't terrible. I don't have, you know, clouds of purple dust all over my cheeks. So it wasn't terrible fallout. Do I like it? Yes, I do. Definitely worth $12. That's pretty much all I have to say about this. If you like this palette, use the link below and get yourself one. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video.